I'm gonna show you how to add Suica card on your Google Wallet. So to get started, open first your Google Wallet on your Android phone or on your Apple, and then from there you just have to go to add wallet, select from the trust card right here. So add to wallet, then select the transit card that you wanted. So from there you just have to choose Suica from the list of supported transit cards. So you need to locate the Suica card to add, and then once you're done with that, you need to go to step 4. So you just have to follow the instructions written on your phone when you add a Suica card. So from here you just have to select the Suica card, and then it will just need to follow the instructions. And then lastly, all you have to do is just add a money or load money into Suica card. So from there you just have connected your Suica card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you connect your Suica card on your Google Wallet.